Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the GoodBudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the GoodBudget app on your device and you will immediately see the login as well as create new household option. If you don't already have an account, tap on create new household and now you will be able to add and create your custom envelopes. You can tap on the add button to add various different kinds of payment or income that you receive. Choose your estimated monthly income and you may add multiple income sources if you wish as well. After adding both your income and expense envelopes, tap on the next button and you may choose to automatically fill up your budget or do it manually. For now, let's just choose the automatic option. And after this, you will be allowed to enter your email address to complete your sign up. Just enter your preferred email address and type in your preferred password for your account. Then type in this password once again for confirmation and you have the option to get feature updates on your email. This is optional, but it is mandatory to check on the I agree box for the terms of use. Now tap on the finish button and now this will complete your registration. Tap on the let's go button and now you will be taken into your GoodBudget dashboard right away. After the sign up is completed, make sure to check your inbox to find a confirmation email. And once you receive this email, your account is now ready to use. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the GoodBudget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.